Hello guys, welcome back to Appendices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called OSCP Preparation. So, what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So, first open the terminal. Let's open the Firefox. So, first we just open the terminal. Now, let's just make the first we just type as sudo su and enter our password. Then later we just type as net discord minus I 80. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine here. I just quit now. Now I just type it as nmap minus -34 minus a as an aggressive scan and enter our targeted IP address. So let's wait for the nmap result. So where I have got the nmap result, one is available with SH, another one is available with port 80. It is with an Apache server. We would like to walk to the port 80. Just enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.84. It looks like hosted in the WordPress website. You can look here, 2025 OSCP Voucher powered by WordPress website. Okay, well and good. Now just copy this. So we already know every targeted WordPress website have a default web directories like WP admin, WP content, WP includes. We would like to look here what else we can get it here. So that's enough. So I would like to look here as something interesting here as a robots.txt, where I have find here as a secret.txt. Let's just copy this. Now open this, just enter here your targeted IP address 192.168.18.84. Then let's just secret.txt. So where I have got it like this is something it was in the basics before. Now I just type here as clear. You just put here as echo. Now better you just entirely just copy this. Now you just put as wget, then let's just paste this. Now put here as echo secret.txt2 as base 64 as decode. Now it as invalid, otherwise base 64 as a decode as secret.txt, where I have got it here as a private key something. Now let's just copy this. Now you just type I just need to copy one more time. Just type here as nano id underscore rsa, then let's just paste it here. Now just type Control O, Control X. Now just type here as clear. Let me just type here as clear. So once I have cleared this everything here, now you just need to give a permission like let's just prepare this. You just put here as chmod 600 id underscore rsa. Then later we would like to look here in the OSCP admin by admin. So we would like to put here as simple as OSCP with as username. Then let's come back here. Now just put here as sh minus I id underscore rsa OSCP, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.84, and it asks permission. You just type yes. I have successfully logged into the bash. Now we would like to go for a privilege escalation. Now you just type here as find /minus PRM. There You just put here as a 4000. 2 is greater than dev r. Now, no, it not work out. Now, we would like to look here. Now, I can tell you, here is a file. This command used to search the files and directories. And forward slash is like starting a directory from the search from a root directory. And if you specify the type, uh, uh, you can get like any type of files. Minus PRM forward slash 4000. It specifies the file should have the SUID and bit set a permission for 4000. That's it here. Now, looking at the results, we can see that we can have a bash and SUID. Look here as bash, and we can also execute pkexec also, but we would like to execute the bash. So for that, I would like to type here as a clear. So before that, I just need to copy this. Now let's just type here as clear. Now to execute this bash, now we would like to go to as gdfo bins. So it may take a lengthy time process to come because of network issues. Now to get a root privilege access, so now just type here as user bin bash and minus p, where he has successfully came to a root. Who am I? You are in the root directly. Now just type here as cd a root list minus a, and you just type here as cat a flag not txt. That's it. This is your flag for OSCP. That's it. So we have successfully completed this mission. So you try it around guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.